Alright, so making a video here, and I will try to do this quickly. Kids 5 and under eat for free. So example of who can eat for free are the kids who are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sentence here would be kids for K for kids and 5. So the kids who can eat for free can be under 5 and or equal to 5. And the graph, little graph here, we shade, and in this case have to be under, right? And has to point to the left. Children, no admitted children. If you're under 17, you can't come in. So again, we can put children and 17. Children under 17. So who are the kids that cannot come in? 16, 15, 14. So just a few examples. We put the graph. It's going to be 17, 18, 16. So all right, so no admits children under 17. So again, kids who cannot come in has to be this way. Maximum capacity 350. So I can have 350 people in the room. I can have 349. I can have 200. I can have 50 people. But I can't pass 350. So up to 350, it's okay. So people, 350. So the number of people in the room can be less than 350 or equal to 350. So again, another line, 350. And in this case, can I have 351? No. Can I have 350? Yes. So I shade. Can I have 349? Yes. Can I have 348? Yes. So I point it this way. Maya has at least 50 bucks, so I know that she has $50. She can have $51. She can have $100. She can have $200. So, and for Maya, so how much money does Maya have? Maya has greater than 50 or equal to 50. So 50, 51, 49. Can she have $49? No, she's going to have at least 50 or more. Okay. So let me move this screen. The item costs as little as $51. So how much can this item cost? It can be $1. It could be $2. It could be $3. It could be $4.50. So the minimum price is $1. So the item, I'm gonna for I for item and $1. So it has to be greater or equal to $1. So whatever we're buying, we know it's gonna cost $1 or more. Okay. No charge for children under 7. So if you're under 7, you don't have to pay. So if you're 6, you don't pay. If you're 5, you're 4, 3, 2, 1. So 7 and charge. So under 7, you don't pay. So again, very easy. Number line 7, 8, 6. So 7 and under 7. So anybody who's under. So these kids here eat for free. You must be 18 or older to win. So if you're 18, you can win. If you're 19, you can win. If you're 30, you can win. If you're 45 years old, you can win. So let's make it win. So if you want to win, what do you have to be? You have to be greater than 18 or equal to 18. So number line again. Shade. Points that way. The bridge capacity is 1,000 tons. So 1 ton, by the way, equals 2,000 pounds. The same thing. So if it's less than 1 ton, okay. Again, if you want to use pounds, it's probably easier. So the bridge, the weight, right, has to be under 1 ton. Okay, 1 ton or less. So over here, you have to make sure you write 1 ton. If it's greater than 1 ton, less than 1 ton. So if it's 1 ton exactly, then the bridge is okay, and less, you're okay. All right, so here you can write, I don't know, 0.9 of a ton, 0.5 of a ton, stuff like that, and other 0.4 of a ton. Bailey can spend no more than $10, so she cannot spend more than $10. So can she spend $9? Yeah. $8? Yeah. 7. Can she spend $10? Yeah, but no more than that. So let's write spend and $10. So can she spend $10? Yes. Can she spend $11? No. So it has to be less or equal to 10. So 10, 11, 9. So again, circle, shade, because 10 is okay, 9 is okay, 8 is okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The elevator capacity, the elevator only works up to 1,500 pounds. So 1,500 pounds is okay, 1,400 is okay, 800 pounds is okay. So all those numbers are okay, and the elevator will work. So E for elevator and 1,500 pounds. So for the elevator to work, if you're less than 1,500, it's okay, and if you're equal to 1,500, it's okay. So 1,500, 1,499 on this side, and on this side 1,501. Put a circle. 1,500 is okay, and anything that's less is also okay. Margot is at least 30 years old. She's at least 30 years old. So the bare minimum, she's 30. She could be 31. She could be 40. She could be 50. Can she be 29? No. Because she's at least, right? The smallest number she can be is 30. So Margot, let's use M for Margot. She is going to be what? Equal to 30 or greater than 30. Shade, and we put it over here, right? So all her ages that she can be. We don't know her age, but we know she can be 30 and above. You must be taller than, you must be 48 inches or taller. So if you're 48, can you go on the right? Yes. If you're 49 inches, yes. If you're 50 inches, yes. If you're 70 inches, yes. So if you have to be 48 inches or higher. So your height, well, I guess you can use height or H for height or R. So if you want to go on the right, your height has to be greater than 48 or equal to 48. So, oops. 48, 49, 47. Shade, because you can be 48 or greater. Maximum weight allowed is 55 pounds. So if you're bigger, if your weight is more than 55, it's not good. So up to 55, you're okay. So if you're 55 pounds, you're okay. 54, 30, 20, all those are okay. If you're 56, you're not okay. So, oops. Weight, your weight has to be less than 55 or equal to 55. So 55, 56, 54. So your weight has to be less. She's at least 4 feet tall. So her height, again, can be 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, you know. So her height, right, has to be greater than 4 feet or even equal to 4 feet. So she's at least the tiniest number, the smallest number, the smallest height she can be is 4. So again, 4, 5, 3. So she can be 4, yeah. Can she be 5? Yeah. So we're gonna point it that way. Can she be 3? No. No one under the age of 18 is allowed. So if you're 17, you can't go in. You're 16, you're not allowed. 15, 10, 9. So your age, under 18, not allowed. So all the people that cannot go in are the people who cannot go in. The people under 17. If you're 18, can you go in? Yes. So we don't shade that. Okay. Services are provided to 10 and older. So if you're 10 and under, you get service, whatever the service is. If you're 10, you get the service. If you're 9, if you're 8, if you're 5, if you're 2, you get the service. So as for service, you have to be less than 10, and even if you're 10, you also get service. So anything that's 10 and under. 10 and under. So 10, 9, 8, 7. That's why we point to the left. You have to be able to carry 40 pounds minimum. So let's say you want to work for FedEx or UPS or the post office. You need to carry boxes. So you have to be able to carry boxes 40 pounds, 41 pounds, 50 pounds, 55 pounds, or anything that's higher than 40, you need to be able to carry in order to work. So carry, so we're going to carry boxes that are greater than 40 or even equal to 40. I don't know how high, but the bare minimum, if you want to get higher, you have to get 40 pounds. You have to be able to carry 40 pounds. So 40 is okay, and higher. Tunnel height. If you're going under a bridge, right? The height of that tunnel, right? So if you're going under the bridge, the height here is 13.5, right? So the tunnel, the height of that tunnel. So if you're a truck and you're very tall, you got to make sure that you're up to 13.5. The 13.5 is okay, 13.4 is okay, 12, 11. But if you're above 13.5, your truck is not going to go through. So the height has to be less than 13 or even equal to 13, sorry, 13.5. So let's draw a number line. This was 13.5, this is 13.6, 13.4. So if your truck or the car or whatever you're driving is 13.5, you can go in the tunnel. And if you're less, you're going to drive. So if you're higher than 13.5, you're gonna hit the top, and it's gonna create an accident. You must be 4 feet. You must be over 4 feet to ride the coast. Over. So if you're 4 feet, can you go in? No. If you're 4 feet 1, can you go in on the ride? Yes. 4 feet 2, 4 feet 3, 5 feet, 6 feet. It has to be higher than 4. So again, your height has to be greater than 4 feet. If you're 4 feet, you can't. So it has to be greater than 4. So 4, 3, 5. So again, if you're 4 feet, can you be on the ride? No. If you're 4.1, 4.2, can you be on the right? Yes. So we want to point it that way. All right. Very simple assignment.